This 2024 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite 273 QBXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Byron, Georgia, 31008 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Byron-Macon. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 61 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.